Can big motion AI really help you monetize a YouTube channel? I'm about to find out. Starting today, I'm gonna be doing a challenge for 30 days and see what big motion is all about. Now, if you guys want to be part of this, there will be a link on the bottom. It will be an affiliate link. So if you like to help out the channel to grow, if not, it's okay. Just hit that like and subscribe so you can follow along and you can see the outcome of this challenge. So Big Motion claims that you can essentially generate passive income using a AI, and this is truly autopilot. So here we can see some examples, which this is the reason why I caught my eyes, because it looks very good, honestly. You got some good animations, transitions and all that stuff. Great. Always good reviews. And then we got the prices. So honestly, decent price for what you're getting. And if it's truly you can monetize, it will be totally worth it. So today we're gonna be trying out the $40 for one series, and that's gonna give you 30 videos, which is essentially 30 day worth of videos. And depending on how that performs, we will either extend it or call it a day. We'll see. In any case, let's go ahead and start. All right, let's go ahead and skip this part, and we're just gonna go inside. We are pay, lock and loaded. I generate series. All right, guys, so right now I'm just going through the tabs and checking out what Big Motion AI can offer, but right now I'm just gonna go ahead and skip, so that way we don't have to waste your guys' time. If you guys want to see an in-depth video on how to use every tab, let me know and I will do so. Bible stories. Oh, that's interesting. Crypto, health and wellness. We got a big selection here. I want to go either with crypto, health and wellness. Yeah, those two sound very good. All right, so I did drag the video longer than expected because I was overthinking it. So I'm just gonna jump into the video creation itself. I'm gonna fast forward so you can see some of the options in there, but once I play the video, you see that I will pick a different style and everything because I was not happy with the result. But yeah, just letting you know, guys, so you can see it's all transparency here. All right, here we're gonna connect the channel. I was going to show what the channel name is, but then I decided that it would be best not to, and see how Big Motion AI performs.
In 1917, the miracle of the sun dazzled thousands in Fatima, Portugal. Fast forward to today, and a different kind of miracle is unfolding in the digital realm, the blockchain. Imagine a world where every transaction is transparent, secure, and immutable. That's the power of blockchain technology, the backbone of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Unlike traditional banking, blockchain operates on a decentralized network, meaning no single entity controls it. This innovation ensures trust and security without the need for intermediaries. It's a revolution in finance, much like the awe-inspiring events of Fatima, changing how we perceive and handle money forever.
So yeah, tell me what you guys think in the comments. What do you think about that video? Honestly, to me, total horseshit. But I just wanted to let you know that does give you the option to edit the video. Does give you 20 generations for images, which is kind of dumb since Nano Banana is out there. You should have unlimited images at this point. And also does give you the option to change your caption afterwards, which is kind of stupid if you ask me, because that should be prior for you to pick how you want the style or your caption to be come across, instead of waiting for the video to generate, then afterwards have to switch everything that you want to switch with your caption and then have to regenerate the video. At least that's my opinion. Now you will see right after I get out of the editing part of the caption that the second video was already generated, which is cool in a way, but because I haven't finished editing my caption, the second video had the old caption, which is kind of stupid. Again, that's the reason why you should have the caption before generating any videos. Big Motion, if you're listening, you need to make those upgrade like ASAP. that's not good.
issue. Blockchain is being used to track water usage and distribution efficiently. By creating a transparent and immutable ledger, communities can ensure fair water allocation and reduce wastage. This innovative use of blockchain not only promotes sustainability, but also empowers local communities to manage their resources better. It's a surprising twist on how digital finance.
I'm most definitely gonna a move away from the cryptocurrency shorts. I don't see it. Let me just clarify, the cryptocurrency, it is still a good niche. I will say that you will probably be best making your own script and have the big motion AI do the heavy lifting. At least that's what I think. Now, did switch over to the horror stories, which I believe it will be a best fit. Leave on autopilot, since you don't have to worry about too much about it. Although my first impression on the first video, it was not so good. All right.
In the heart of an ancient forest, a man named Elias found a peculiar stone circle. Each night he returned, compelled by whispers promising eternal patience. As days turned to weeks, his body began to change, roots entwining his limbs, his skin hardening like bark. The forest claimed him, a guardian of patience, forever rooted in place. His mind screamed in silence, trapped in a timeless prison. The whispers grew louder, inviting others to join him. The forest waits, patient and hungry. Will you heed its call?
My opinion. Yeah, I don't know. A lot of doubts, but I will have to redo it anyways. I don't hear without the background music. It sucks. Here's where you can edit the entire series. You want to change the background music, the voice, and everything else. All right, so for short, it will be a challenge. These 30 days, we will find out more about the tool, how all the feature works. As of right now, I was just trying to push this as soon as possible. Most likely, I will end up posting it tomorrow. But I believe the tool does have potential, even though we couldn't see anything good today. I still believe it does have some potential, since at the end of the day, AI generations is about trial and error until we find the one that works. As you saw, it does have a lot of interesting series there to pick. We just have to try them and see which one works best. And if not, then we will know exactly what big motion AI is all about. Hopefully it will prove us wrong and we can make some money with this, right? I mean, $40 a month and you'll be able to make $500 based on the website. That's not bad. But anyways, we'll find out later on and we'll see what's up. Not a sponsor, and until next time.